It's deep into the afternoon on the block, and everyone is working hard to get ahead of ensuite week. But for Courtney and Hans, their tough week just seems to get tougher.
I'm over this bathroom. I'm over it, freaking over it, for real.
I was trying to keep this bath as close as I could to the wall.
Yeah.
Smack in the middle of the bath is a bloody double joist. Well, I'm assuming that the bath's got a centre waist in it?
Yes, it does.
It does, so it's dead centre, OK. We can't cut through it or blocking because of the weight of the bath.
The bath where we wanted to sit it, all centred, turns out that there was a joist underneath running directly where the drainage needed to be. But we can't start chipping away at the joist or what have you to make way for the downpipe.
But we're probably going to have to bring the bath out 60 or 70 mil.
It has to come out.
Yeah, you can't chop any timbers because of the weight of the bath.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit cramped in there, so I just feel like now we're stupid for reducing the ensuite size because now everything feels really cramped and hasn't got that kind of grandeur about it.
Well, it seems like with big bathtubs come big problems.
And she's gone.
Courtney's returned, and she's determined to sort out the issues with her big bathtub.
We've had to move the bathtub away from the window just because there's a support beam underneath.
The problem being that Courtney feels the whole ensuite will now feel a little squished if they move their big bath. So Keith and the Renault Rookies plumber come to cast an eye over the dilemma.
Can I see an offset drawn on the ground there?
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
You can't do that. You've got to be direct to the trap. A straight run.
The bath is ready to go, kind of thing.
OK, and did they tell you what kind of waste it had on it?
It's definitely centre waste.
Sometimes they come with a manufacturer-specified offset adapter, which could get you out of trouble.
If the big bath that Courtney has chosen comes with such a special offset adapter, the rookies might just get to keep their ensuite as planned.
Oh, Hans, they sent you specs.
I've got the specs. They are here. That's what we need.
Oh, we're right, Keith. Look, comes with, see, that's the offset pan adapter. So there's your centre, and that rotates.
With baths, guys, as soon as you choose a bath, get the specs.
Wait, our airline pilot Hans didn't read the instructions first.
There's a drain, a special drain that can come with it, and it's specified for the manufacturer, which has a really shallow pan on it and offsets the downpipe up to about 90 mil, which is just perfect because that'll get it away from the joist and the floor. And then from there, we can just go straight down.
So that meant that we could put the bath back to where it was. Happy days.
Great, I'm so glad that we sorted that out.
Oh, yeah.